How to analyze overwhelming Windows OS event viewer logs. Are you feeling lost in the sea of Windows event viewer logs? You're not alone. Many users find themselves overwhelmed by the sheer volume of recorded events. But with some systematic techniques, you can manage these logs effectively and extract useful information. First, let's talk about how Event Viewer organizes logs. It categorizes them into application, security, and system logs. Each category contains events with different severity levels: information, warning, error, critical, and success audit. Understanding these categories helps you focus your analysis on the most relevant logs. To make sense of large volumes of logs, use the filtering tools within Event Viewer. Filters allow you to narrow down events by criteria such as time range, event level, event identification number, source application, or user account involved. This targeted approach reduces the noise and highlights potentially significant events. Event identification numbers are unique identifiers for specific events. By identifying and researching these numbers, you can interpret what each event means and whether it indicates a problem. Microsoft provides documentation on event identification numbers, and many online resources explain common numbers and their meanings. Another effective technique is to correlate events across different logs. For example, if a system error appears at the same time as an application crash recorded in another log, this cross-referencing can reveal root causes that single logs alone may not clarify. When logs become too large or complex, consider exporting them in formats like comma-separated values, extensible markup language, or Event Viewer log for external analysis. Using specialized tools or scripts can make this process easier. Third-party log analyzers often provide advanced features such as real-time monitoring, color-coded tagging, and automated alerting, which help prioritize critical issues and reduce manual effort. Creating custom views in Event Viewer is another smart move. This feature allows you to save filtered searches for repeated use, making ongoing monitoring and troubleshooting more efficient. For those focusing on security, configuring audit policies carefully is essential. This helps avoid excessive data generation. Tools like System Monitor can provide enhanced logging with customizable rules to focus on relevant security events, reducing noise and improving detection capabilities. To summarize, here are some key steps to analyze overwhelming Windows Event Viewer logs. 1. Understand log categories and event severity levels. 2. Use filters to narrow down events by time, level, source, and event identification number. 3. Research event identification, numbers to interpret events. 4. Correlate events across logs for a broader understanding. 5. Export logs for external analysis with specialized tools if needed. 6. Create custom views for efficient repeated analysis. 7. Use enhanced logging tools and carefully configured audit policies to reduce noise and focus on critical events. By following these practices, you can manage the volume of Windows logs and extract actionable information for troubleshooting, security monitoring, and system management.